So I'm filming.
There's some half bags. Oh, here's some more.
So this is Toby and Edith and Lulu. Team effort.
All the way.
This wall, actually, we put up the better part of this wall in the past hour and a half. All of us. There's Helen. She's got the half bags. There we go. She's helping Jeremy over here. And there's that little tyke who seems to want to scream.
Yep. Right up.
And this is day one. For us, anyway.